Good morning class. Assalamu alaikum. We have to start exercise 2a. We have learned question 1 to 4. In question number 1 we have learned about the integers, positive integer, negative integer, positive numbers and negative numbers. And in question number 3 we have learned about the concept of lesser and greater. There are two values and we use a symbol of lesser and greater and define these values. In question number 4 we have learned about the number line. Here the values are given and we define these values in number line. Got it? Today we have to start question number 5. Question number 5 is by using number line. We also use number line in question number 5. By using a number line, arrange each of the following in ascending order. Got it? We also use number line in this question, but firstly we arrange these value in ascending order. Got it? Ascending order means smallest to greatest. We arrange these values smallest to greatest. This is ascending order. Exercise 2a, question number 5. Exercise 2a, question number 5. Ascending order. We arrange these value in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to the greatest. Okay, A part is 230 minus 13, 23 minus 3 and 30. These are values. These are 5 values. First we arrange in ascending order, then you write in number line. Ascending order means smallest to greatest. Which one is smallest? Minus 13, then minus 3, after this 23, 30 and 230. अगर हमारे पास बड़ी वैल्यू के साथ माइनस साइन होगा, छोटी वैल्यू के साथ भी माइनस साइन होगा, देन द बिगेस्ट वैल्यू इज स्मॉलेस्ट. Got it? 13 is the biggest and 3 is the smallest, but there is minus sign. That's why we say that minus 13 is the smallest. Got it? Always remember minus 13 is smallest and minus 3 is biggest, because when we define the values in number line, just like this is number line and this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, this is minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. When we start from 0, minus 1 is biggest, then minus 2 is biggest than minus 3. Similarly minus 3 is biggest than minus 4 and minus 4 is biggest than minus 5. That's why we say that minus 13 is smallest, minus 3 is biggest than minus 13. Got it? Now we use number line. First we arrange in ascending order. Now we use number line. First we draw number line. This is 0. I take the gap of 5 digits, just like this is 5, this is 10, this is 15, this is 20, this is 25 and so on. This is minus 5, minus 10, minus 15, minus 20 and minus 25 and so on. Got it? Okay, first value is minus 13. Minus 13 just like exist here. This is minus 10, this is minus 50, minus 10, minus 11, 12, 13 and this is minus 13. And next value is minus 3. Minus 3, there is 0 and there is minus 5 and minus 3 exists here. Minus 3. Got it? After this there is 23 and 23, this one is 20, and just like 23 exists here before 25, 23, and there is 30 and 30 just like exists here, and last one is 230 and there is 230. This is called number line. Got it? Now you come on next part, B part. Minus 0.5, 150, 15, minus 10, minus 3 by 20. This value in the form of fraction, first we convert into decimal form. When we convert into decimal form and we divide it, 3 divide 20, 3 is numerator, that's why 3 को हमने अंदर रखा. There is smallest value, that's why we put point here and 0. 21 the 20. When we subtract it, then we get 10. There is point, then we put 0. 25 the 100. So when we convert into decimal, the value is 0.15. Now it is easiest to convert into ascending order because this value convert into decimal form. First you write solution. First you write in ascending order. Got it? Now this is minus 0.5 and this is minus 10, so that this is smallest, minus 10. Now this is minus 0.5 and this is plus 0.15 and after this 15 and after this 150. Got it? Now you come on number line. Zero, always you also take the gap of 10, it's your choice. You always take the gap of 15, just like now here I take the gap of 10, 10, 20, 30 and so on, minus 10, minus 20 and minus 30 and so on. Got it? Now this is minus 10, this is just like here, this is minus 10. Got it? And this is minus 0.5, it is very nearest to this one here, minus 0.5, and this is plus 0.15 and this is positive, and that's why, and this is very nearest, just like here, 0.15, very nearest to 0. Got it? This is 15 and 15 exists here, 15, and this is 150 and 150. Got it? This is question number 5. First we arrange in ascending order, then the value defined in number line. Now you come on next question, intermediate level, question number 7. Question number 7 is fill in the blanks. ठीक है, fill in each box with lesser and greater. ठीक है, we use less or greater sign in question number 7, just like question number 7. This one is lesser or less, or also called less than, and this one is greater, also called greater than. Got it? Now A part is L for less, and this sign just like L style, L for less, and this ls, and this sign is just like L. Got it? minus 4 and minus 6. Okay, which one is greatest, minus 4 or minus 6? There is minus sign, then 4 is smallest, that's why माइनस साइन की वजह से बाय द माइनस साइन माइनस 4 इज़ ग्रेटेस्ट. गॉट इट? अगर वैल्यू हमारे पास छोटी होगी माइनस साइन के साथ, देन वैल्यू इज़ ग्रेटेस्ट. ठीक है, आई विल ब्रीफली एक्सप्लेन बाय दिस नंबर लाइन, दिस वन. गॉट इट? Similarly, B part minus 11 minus 11.5. Minus 11 is greatest because this is minus 11.5. Got it? C part is 1 by 5 divide 1 by 3. This question in the form of fraction. Always remember when the question in the form of fraction, आप इसके denominator को देखेंगे. अगर denominator lesser होगा then the value is biggest. यहाँ पे denominator 3 है, ये less है as compared to 5, so that this one is greater. 1 by 3 is greater than 1 by 5. If we divide this just like 1 divide 5, we put point and 0, 5 to the 10. And if we divide 3, we put point here and 0, 3 9 the 3 3 the 9. And this is 0.2 and this is 0.3. Got it? So simply is that 0.3 is greater than 0.2. You also check by simplification. आप simplification से भी check कर सकते हैं, but always remember if denominator, this is numerator and this is denominator, if denominator is smallest then the value is biggest. अगर denominator छोटा होगा then we say that value is biggest. Got it? You also checked by simplification just like here. Got it? And D part is minus 1 by 3 and minus 5 by 6. Got it? Here the denominator is smallest, a value in the form of fraction, so that this is greatest. Minus 1 by 3 greatest. You also check by simplification. Just like 1 divide 3, then we get just like here. 1 divide 3, then we get 0.3 minus 0.3. When we divide 5 divide 6, we will put point here and 0. 6 8 the 48. 0 minus 0.8. And this is 0.3 and this is 0.8. Minus 0.3, there is minus sign, that's why minus 0.3 is greater. If there is not minus sign with 0.3 and 0.8, then we say that 0.8 is greater. But there is minus sign, that's why we say that minus 0.3 is greater than minus 0.8. Got it? After this, now you come on question number 8. Question number 8 is also in the form of number line. Got it? Use a number line to illustrate each of the following. Now you come on first part, A part. Question number 4, A part. A part is minus 1 by 3, comma 2.5, 1 into 3 by 8. This is in the form of mixed fraction. We convert into decimal form by simplification. We also convert 1 by 3 into decimal form. Got it? It is simplest way to solve it. 1, 0.2 and 0.11. When we convert 1 by 3, then answer is 0.3. In here we use, when we divide 1 by 3, then we get 0.3. That's why 1 by 3, then we get 0.3. 2.5 and this one 1, 0.2 and 0.11. Now we simplify 1 into 3 by 8. 1 into 3 by 8. But we convert into fraction. 1 multiplied by 8, then we get 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 by 8. Now we divide it. 11 by 8. 8 1 the 8. 3. Now we will put point here and 0. 8 3 the 24. So the value is 1.3. Now we use number line to identify these values. There is 0, there is 1, there is 2, there is minus 1, there is minus 2. Okay, first one is minus 0.3. Just there exists minus 0.3. Next one is 2.5. There is 2 and there is 2.5. Next one is 1.3. There is 1 and there is 1 point, there is 1.3. Next one is 0.2. This is 0 and there is 0.2. This is positive value. And 0.11. There is 0.11. Got it? Similarly, B part is positive, odd integers less than 20. Odd integers. Odd mean the value is not divisible by 2, just like less than 20. Got it? Just like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. After this 15, 17, 19, less than 20. Got it? That's why we can't include 20. This is number line, and you also define these integers in number line. This is 0 and there is 1, there is 3, there is 5, there is 7, there is 9, there is 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. There is no negative value, that's why we can't write here. These are all positive. Got it? And next one is prime numbers more than or equal to 2 but less than 10. Prime numbers are those numbers that are divisible by itself. Divisible by mean just like C part. Prime number are divisible by itself, not any table. Got it? Equal, more than or equal to 2. It means 2 is also include, because equal to 2. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. No, less than 10, that's why 11 is not included. And now we define these values in number line. Got it? And D part is common factor of 12 and 16. We take LCM of 12 and 16. 12 and 16 just like this. And which factors are common? जो भी factors common होंगे, you will define these factor into number line. Okay? C part and D parts. Try to C and D parts and inbox me. Got it? It is very simplest and easy. If you have any problem, then inbox me. Thank you.